Are you ready to take your IT skills to the next level? Welcome to RH403 Red Hat Satellite 6 Administration, where we empower you to excel in the rapidly evolving world of technology. By passing this test,
You will learn how to configure Red Hat Satellite 6 to deploy and manage Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems and software.
let's meet our trainer, Satyendra Pal, who are our expert level and completely up to date in the subjects they teach because they continue to spend time working on real-world industry applications. Satyendra Pal has more than 10+ years of experience in Linux and related technologies, has experienced on multiple real-time industries-related projects. He trained more than 10,000+ students in a year. He's certified professionals with high grade having strong theoretical and practical knowledge. With this kinds of expertise which Satyendra has, let's see what we're going to learn in this course. Join RH403 Red Hat Satellite 6 Administration.